Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about why your TV makes a buzzing noise and how to fix it. Let's get started. Your TV can be buzzing because of several issues. The noise can be caused by defective speakers, ground loops, or overmodulation. Let's discuss these issues and their best solutions in depth. Defective speakers. Defective speakers are the most common reason for a buzzing sound in your TV. Your speakers could get damaged from age, moisture, or physical damage. Here's how to troubleshoot and fix the issue. Mute your TV speakers and listen for the buzzing sound. If you don't hear it, it suggests your TV speakers are the problem. Connect external speakers to your TV and check if the buzzing continues. Alternatively, replace the faulty speakers with new ones from your dealer. You may have to hire a technician for this. Ground loops. Ground loops happen when several interconnected devices are plugged into the same outlet. These devices create voltage differences between their grounding points. The easiest solution to buzzing due to ground loops is to reduce the number of devices connected to the same outlet. Alternatively, install an inline ground loop isolator between your devices and the TV. Overmodulation. Overmodulation occurs when your TV receives signals too powerful for its modulator, causing sound and video distortion. Installing an attenuator between your cable box and TV receiver should silence the buzzing. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.